NASDAQ 100 closed the week on a bullish note, and yes, the month of March also with a very extremely bullish note above 13,000 levels and close to 13,200. I hope you all profited. Last week I told you that it is a flag formation and this is a breakout, and it may continue with the breakout, and precisely it has marched till towards 13,200 levels. I hope you all profited. Now what to expect in the month of April? Is it going to stay bullish, or we can see a retracement? Which position we should take? We will see with the help of first charts followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the strategy. Do watch till the end. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the daily analysis. In fact, twice a day I share the analysis on Nasdaq. First with the Asia session, next with the US session. To watch both. Let's start. First, let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, at this point, I told you this is a triple bottom here, and certainly we can see a rebound, we can see a bounce back. Also at this point it has breached the lower highs of the long term bearish channel, and since then it has traded bullish also. Now here it was a flag formation and then this breakout, and this was a very extremely bullish breakout. On the daily analysis multiple times I told lower highs are breached, we may see certainly three bullish candles and third bullish candle is done. Now also you must look at now. See, first of all, 13,000 was an extremely important support resistance level for NASDAQ 100, which it tried to breach multiple times since last few times but failed to do so. This time it is again back above 13,000 levels, and hence first thing is 13,000 again is going to remain a very important support level on the downside. So 12,900, 13,000 levels one should watch out for. At the same time, now look at this, how many candles got the consolidation here. The stronger the base, the taller the building. Remember this fact. And this time it is consolidated for a while at around 12,500, 12,800, 900 zone, and hence these levels are certainly going to remain a very important support level if it tries to retrace a bit on the downside. Second observation is this is a breakout and this is a extremely bullish candle and it's a flat closing. This indicates that probably the next week also we may see it opening bullish, trading above 13,200. We can stay long. The targets are going to be 13,500 and 14,000 levels. Now see, I'll be looking forward to 13,500 levels at least. These levels are going to be the next stoppage, while I'll be looking forward to 14,000 levels in the coming few weeks also. This is also very much possible. But remember, I'll tell you why there could be a little retracement in the next few days also. That is something I will tell you. But right now it appears it is going to trade bullish in the next week. Probably the month beginning is going to stay till towards 13,500, 13,800 levels might get achieved before it tries to retrace. Now this is on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts also, triple bottom, this was the long-term bearish trend and this is an upward journey from here. Now see, at this point I told you 11,000 levels were the support levels, and precisely we have achieved 11,000. Now see, 10,800 taking the support here. It has started this rally. Also the little retracement for multiple weeks it done, and this is the breakout. So certainly we are looking forward to at least 13,500, 13,800 and 14,000 levels in next couple of weeks. Possibility exists that it may try to achieve it faster than expected, because yes, it has consolidated enough. It is looking forward to an upward move, and this is also, it has also come out of the long term bearish channel with a triple bottom, and hence more upward pressure can be seen right now, and that is what we can expect here. The next resistance zone, as I said, 13,000 was very good resistance. Now it is looking forward to 13,500 and 14,000 levels, very good resistance zone. Now look at the monthly charts, and certainly the month beginning is going to decide which direction it is going to take. A flat closing for the previous month, and also the previous candle was a red candle. You can say there was a pullback, and after that it has started its upward journey and specifically breached 13,000. Now see, a flat closing means a bullish opening can be seen. There could be a gap up also, and then we can expect, see this, you can see 13,500, 14,000. This zone is something I will look forward for NASDAQ 100 to achieve in the month of April. And certainly see, first it may try to rise because this is a flat top there. It can try to start at the same levels and continue its bullish journey. Probably we can expect, see, something like this that has happened, something like this what we had seen. We can expect a similar sort, And yes, if you see it trading below 13 you can say 13,000 or 12,950 levels, that is the level below that, certainly 12,800 is going to be the next support, and if it breaks below, then bearishness is going to be seen, else we may expect it to continue with the bullish momentum. So this is what we can expect on the monthly charts. Probably we can see a little more bullishness. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What are the indicators are suggesting here? Now on the daily chart, there is an extreme divergence on the 20, 50, 100 exponential and simple moving averages. The support there at 12,600, 12,800, very, very strong. With that as support, this is the rally which is continued. If you see, the stochastic has come to overbought levels here, and hence it can try to get a pullback with next couple of candles. It may try to stabilize with the overbought levels, and then the pullback may be seen. The MACD is divergent and bullish, looking upwards. And now see, those who follow me regularly on the daily basis and weekly basis, don't you think I have told this several times that see, this is the bottom here and it is going to reverse, and precisely that has happened. It has seen a very good reversal, and since last few days we are seeing the bullishness. Now it does mean that it can achieve the highs here, it can continue the rally for the further highs. Possibility exists that we may see this bullish momentum to continue. RSI entering into overbought levels. And if you look at the weekly chart, on the weekly charts, yes, it traded outside Bollinger Bands. It might get a pullback, but see, the super trend on the weekly charts is still bearish, but it is trading above 13,000. That is the most important level observation. Second, it is trading above the 20, 50, 100 exponential moving average, and hence this is also an important observation here. So 12,600 levels certainly going to play a very important role. The stochastic is back to overbought levels, and you can see this classical move here on Nasdaq, and now it is slightly willing to stay overbought. The MACD is divergent bullish, looking upwards, and if you recall, at this point we had told that this is second crossover, it may continue with the bullish momentum. RSI is also looking upwards, staying bullish. And if you look at the monthly charts, on the monthly charts now it is trading above. See, the simple moving average is little far above at 13,500, which it might try to touch at least, and which is going to be a slightly stronger resistance. And also, if you look at the stochastic, see, after staying on the lower levels, now it is back to overbought levels with just slight swing. The MACD, on the other hand, now willing to converge crossover. This is very, very important. It is willing to converge crossover and enter into bullish territory. We may see a slight bull run. See, even if it has to like see, if it is really, really bearish, it may converge without crossover and then again take this on the downside. This possibility exists, but I will wait for this to cross over and trade bullish for a little while before it tries to drop down. The RSI trying to look upwards and staying bullish here. So does this mean the markets are bullish and we should stay with the long entries? The answer is something which we would like to share now, as we have seen the charts and indicators. And before we proceed, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 10th of April. Also, you can be part of my signals group, trading as per the signals. Definitely you can profit. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. First, we'll look into the buying levels. See, 13 to 23. Beyond that, you can buy, and the nearest target is 13,285, 13,410 and 13,500. Now see, 13,500 appears to be almost probable, almost certain that sooner or later it is going to hit this zone, and beyond that more bullishness may prevail. It is, see, if it stays above 13,500, there could be further bullishness which is going to take it till towards 13,800 levels, the next target, and 14,000. If not this week, then probably next week, but sooner or later we can see this happening. But yes, remember, on the daily chart there is a slight overbought indication which is seen, and hence achieving 13,500, 13,800 levels also it can try to retrace, or else it can retrace in the beginning of the month itself and then rally towards the end. That is something we should look at, because see, this is the first going to be the first candle for the month. The direction it takes certainly going to remain the direction for the month probably, but yes, there is a slight pullback, and that pullback comes at what level, that is something needs to be seen. And thus 13,500, 13,800 are very, very good resistance zone, hence you should remain cautious at those levels. Now on the downside, where you should sell, see, only sell entry is at 13, I say 100, but then also 13,000 very strong support. And see, on the downside 12,950, the resistances previously are now going to the support, now going to be the support levels until 12,800. it has got very good support and then 12600. Remember, till the time it stays above 12600, I will not consider this as bearish. It can again fly back on the upside. So these are the levels here. The buying and selling levels are mentioned. The 13,000 levels, 13,223 is a buying level, 13,100 is a selling level, and these are the major resistances. On the downside, 12,800, 12,600. Even if it tries to show you pullback, these levels is certainly going to play a very, very important role and are going to provide a very important support on the downside. And only below these levels, you can consider that the NASDAQ 100 has turned bearish, and this could only happen in the case of a event, in case of a news, then only we can see this happening. Else, probably achieving those levels also we can see a pullback. Second thing is the monthly candle. As I said, where it starts and how it starts, that is going to be important. This is going to be the first candle, first daily candle for the month. Certainly we can see this bullish momentum continuing for a little while before it tries to retrace, and hence I am expecting it to achieve higher highs. I am expecting it to achieve 13,500 levels before it tries to look forward to a retracement on the downside. So something which you should look out for on Monday is the direction it takes. You have to be cautious. In fact, till 13,300, 400, in fact till 13,500 levels, achieving those levels is slight retracement, because on the daily charts it may try to get into overbought zone. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Do watch the daily analysis. Definitely it will help you in your day trading decisions. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.